In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your total liabilities in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money makes it easy to track your total liabilities, including things like credit cards, loans, and mortgages. This helps you understand how much debt you have and how it affects your overall net worth. To check this on desktop, go to your dashboard and scroll to the net worth widget. Here, you will see a breakdown of your assets and liabilities, along with their totals and percentages. You can click on net worth to open a more detailed view with a chart and a full list of your liabilities. You can also go to the accounts page and switch to the net worth tab. This will show all your debt accounts in one place, along with the total balance at the top. 4 trends over time. Go to reports, then select cash flow. This lets you track how your liabilities change over different time periods. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.